hindi na natuto ang ating mga kababayan. Noong May 6, meron na namang male passenger sa Davao International Airport na papuntang Singapore. At again, meron siyang bomb joke doon sa airport's check-in counter. And because of this, yung 42-year-old passenger, nung ini-inspect yung kanyang bagahe, ang sabi niya, "Ma'am, wala hong nababasag na gamit sa aking bag. Meron lang akong bomba doon sa loob." Tapos sabi niya, "Joke only." Walang joke-joke sa ating mga airport. He was arrested and he was charged for violating Presidential Decree 1727, also known as the Anti-Bomb Joke Law. No? Yung ating Anti-Bomb Joke Law, by the way, hindi lang applicable sa eroplano. Applicable din siya sa barko, applicable siya sa port, no? Doon sa isang kaso sa Puerto Galera Port, applicable sa jeepney, taxi, buses, or any other form of land transportation. And in one case, in-apply ito doon sa Quiapo Church. No? Although kung titignan mo yung title ng law, yung anti-bomb joke law refers to airplanes. Pero now na siguro nakita ng gobyerno natin yung need na istriktuhan yung mga nagbibiro, nagpa-prank ng bomb, in-apply na nila basta crowded places. Ito yung 1727, PD 1727, and ang penalty dito is 5 years in prison and a fine of not more than 40,000 pesos.